the whole pond.
Yes. Solutions like covering the pond with a net. Covering
so
the pond.
By the time you want to provide them food is when you can open and then you close it.
Covering the pond with a net. Covering.
That is the best solution so far.
Covering the pond with a net.
Another one.
Yes. Another solution, number 2.
By so taking opportunity to
Guarding or protecting. Guarding in GUARDS. Guarding or protecting, right? Protecting. Yeah. Guarding or protecting.